How to invest tax-free in the UK with an ISA. An ISA is one of the most powerful tools in the UK for growing your money. ISA stands for Individual Savings Account. The biggest advantage is that all the money you earn inside it is tax-free. That means no income tax on interest, no dividend tax on shares, and no capital gains tax when your investments grow in value. There are different types of ISAs. A cash ISA works like a savings account. You deposit money and earn interest without paying tax. It is safe, but the returns are usually low. A stocks and shares ISA lets you invest in assets like company shares, bonds, index funds, and ETFs. When you buy a stock, you are buying ownership in a company. If that company grows, the value of your shares increases. You may also receive dividends, which are payments companies give to shareholders. Inside an ISA, these gains and dividends stay tax-free. Over time, compounding makes your money grow much faster. A lifetime ISA is designed to help you buy your first home or save for retirement. You can put in up to £4,000 each year, and the government adds a 25% bonus. That's up to £1,000 free money every year. An innovative finance ISA allows you to lend money through peer-to-peer lending platforms. You earn interest when people pay back what they borrowed. It comes with higher risk but also higher potential returns. You can put up to £20,000 in ISAs each tax year. You can split it across different ISAs or put it all into one. The key is to use your allowance, because once the year ends, you cannot carry it forward. If you are new to investing, the stocks and shares ISA is one of the best places to start. You can open one through banks, investment platforms, or online brokers. Once opened, you can choose whether to invest in individual company shares, broad index funds like the FTSE 100, or global ETFs that spread your risk. The earlier you start, the longer your money has to compound. Compounding means your gains earn more gains over time. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into large sums. So instead of leaving your savings in a normal account that loses value to inflation, consider using an ISA to grow your wealth tax-free. Subscribe to learn more about creating wealth online. Watch Smart Wealth Academy's investing playlist to learn more about investing. Now let's talk about mutual funds inside an ISA. A mutual fund pools money from many investors to buy a mix of shares, bonds, or other assets. Instead of picking individual companies, you invest in the whole fund. This spreads your risk and makes investing easier. Mutual funds are managed by professionals who decide what to buy and sell. You can open a stocks and shares ISA with an online broker or investment platform. Once it's set up, you simply search for the mutual fund you want to invest in. You can invest a lump sum or set up a monthly contribution. Over time, the fund grows and all profits remain tax-free inside the ISA. Now, which investment is the safest and which gives the biggest returns? The safest option inside an ISA is a cash ISA or a bond-based mutual fund. Your money is secure but the returns are small. The biggest long-term returns usually come from equity mutual funds or global stock market index funds. For example, funds that track the S&P 500 or FTSE Global Index. They carry more risk because stock markets rise and fall. But history shows that over the long term, stock market funds have outperformed savings and bonds by a large margin. The golden rule is safety usually means lower returns. Bigger returns usually mean more risk. That's why many investors mix safe options with growth funds to balance risk and reward. The earlier you start, the better, because compounding can turn even small monthly investments into large amounts over time. What does Sharia-compliant ISA mean? A Sharia-compliant ISA is simply an ISA, cash ISA, stocks and shares ISA, lifetime ISA, etc., set up in such a way that the investments or savings inside it respect Islamic finance principles. Key requirements often include no interest, riba, investments only in businesses sectors that are halal, i.e. avoiding alcohol, gambling, conventional banking, weapons, etc. Avoidance of excessive uncertainty or speculation, gharar and maisir. Often supervision by a Sharia board or Sharia advisory board to ensure compliance. So when someone says halal ISA or Sharia ISA, they mean an ISA in which the savings or investments are structured to meet those criteria. Which ISAs in the UK are Sharia compliant? Here are some of the known ISA products and platforms in the UK that offer Sharia compliant ISAs, or at least accept investments into halal Sharia screened funds within ISAs. Provider, platform type of Sharia ISA offered, what they do, key features. Foresters Financial offers a Sharia Stocks and Shares ISA, Sharia Lifetime ISA, and Sharia Junior ISA. Investments are managed via Schroders. There is a Sharia Supervisory Board advisor to ensure compliance. Monthly or single contributions starting from £20. Al Ryan Bank provides Sharia-compliant cash ISAs, instant access, fixed term, etc. These are savings-based ISAs. Good for those who want to avoid stocks equity risk but still want Sharia compliance. Nesta Innovative Finance ISA, IF ISA, that offers some Islamic investment products in its IF ISA wrapper. Potentially good for alternative finance real asset investments in a Sharia context. But check product details carefully. GPOD Halal Investment Platform. They say ISAs are one of the wrappers through which you can invest in their Sharia-compliant products. Certified halal investments, with screening and transparency. Things to check, even with Sharia ISA brands, always check the fund's investments inside. Just because an ISA is offered as Sharia compliant doesn't always mean every sub-fund or share you choose inside it will be halal. Some screening or exclusions may apply. Fees and minimums vary. Sharia compliant funds can sometimes have higher management fees, because of the additional compliance, screening and supervision. Risk still exists with stocks and shares or equity-based ISA products. They may give higher returns but also more volatility. The ISA allowance, how much you can put in each tax year, is the same for Sharia ISAs as for any other ISA, e.g. up to £20,000 per year for all your ISA contributions in most cases, provided the product is a legitimate ISA. Foresters, for example, follow the same rules. Which options might be safest, best return among these? Safest, a Sharia-compliant cash ISA or fixed-term Sharia savings accounts, e.g. Al Ryan Bank's fixed-term or instant access ISA, are among the lower-risk options. Returns will likely be modest compared with stock market-based investments but you avoid large volatility. Better return potential. Sharia stocks and shares ISAs or Sharia lifetime ISAs, like those from Foresters, where your money is invested in global halal-screened equities funds. These have more growth potential over the medium to long term but come with more risk. Want to learn more? Subscribe and watch Smart Wealth Academy's investing playlist.